It's been a long time. Taco style. It's been a long time. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Hey, yo, it's my life, my time, my rights, my rhymes, my grind, my struggle, hustle, sweat in my blood too. I'm letting the smell sweet, smell a lot. My competitors fled scared, but they smelled I was hot. I want it all.
What's going on, guys? CH Vlogs here, back with another video. So today we are at the QRC HVAC and refrigeration Stadium Stock 50. Alright guys, try it out. Let's see. What? Let's get a taste test.
Yeah,
Taste test right here.
Taste test.
On CH Vlogs.
What is he doing?
How is it? Good.
Are
He
you
chugged
sure?
it. I know it's good because I'm drunk. SP lemonade? It's pretty good. Vlog on a vlog.
You're harassing me. You're harassing me.
And vlogging. I could also do this. But yeah. We got a stadium stock going around the track. Camera's going out too far. It is currently awesome. Back that way.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright guys, so they are currently qualifying for their race tonight, the Stadium Stock 50. Alright, so I'm going to get a little bit of qualifying.
Yes, he does. 15.780.
15.780.
For Chuck Wall, the country of 1, fastest qualifier so far.
Good. Okay. Are you going to record some more?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so he's going to record some more. They're still qualified. Okay, so they're done qualifying now. I think the modifieds are getting ready to go after practice. Yeah. I'm trying to see something. I can't really see. But yeah. Enjoy for the ride. We're going to have fun. You ready, buddy?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go. Alright, so the sportsmen are currently practicing right now. Going over to my recording spot like I go to. They film on TikTok. Alright, yeah. Try to have fun on this. You can barely hear me because the sportsmen are around. But yeah. I don't know. Yeah, there's a caution, I guess. Yeah, there's a caution out. I wonder who wrecked, but I don't know. I'll just go see. Yeah, we got my vlog already started. We're in here with S9 Vlogs. Yep. Yes, sir, man. Yeah.
You have another chance later on this evening.
Vlog on a vlog, if you know what you're saying, Kron.
Vlog on vlog. What that pretty much is. So, vlog
Your certified autograph
on vlog. That's so cool.
is on page 8 of your souvenir program. You can vote once in each division for your favorite driver. So far this season in the Stadium Stock Division, AJ Sanders has opened up a whopping 295 vote lead over second place Chuck Wall. Brandon Brendel, Robert Mabe, and Chris Allison round out the top 5. Over the Street Stock Division, Brad Lewis has a lead of 187 votes over second place Jordan Atkins. Austin Jones, Brad Robertson, and Nick Wall round out your top 5. In the Sportsman Division, that's the tightest race so far, but Zach Orr still holds the 112 vote lead over second place Chase Robertson. Connor Branch, Michael Adams, and Tommy Neal are your top 5. And over in the Modified Division, John Holloman continues to lead the way.
Alright, so my modified predictions is Burt Myers, Tim Brown, and Jason Myers for the qualifying predictions. Alright, I'm back. I'm with KG Vlogs over here in the corner.
Hey, Kron,
and,
how hot do you think it is out here?
Yeah.
I'm going to say 84.
Let's
go to the actual weather. What you think? What you think,
I think it's 85 degrees out here.
Listen, whatever the weather is, I'll pop it on screen. I'd say about like 83. 83.
Okay, some weather guessing.
All right,
on TH Vlogs here.
Guess is correct. 82. I was close.
I was not close.
82 right here.
I was not close. I said 85.
I think the humidity is making it worse.
I said 85, but it was not correct. I was 3 away. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. I gotta.
Was bad. Yeah.
You can see them in the background. They're still recording.
Vlog? On vlog.
Yeah.
Vlog.
Yeah.
It's actually the second time that's happened with me and T.
Finally.
Second time with me and Kenny.
Third vlog on the channel.
You gotta get quality.
But yeah. Other than that, let me go contact him. Oh,
Yeah.
you bumping me?
Take that.
Oh, he hit me again.
Sorry, fight with that camera, son.
No, let's not fight with the camera now.
I'm a fight. Yeah.
We can't be fighting now.
I did drive.
But yeah, we are having fun. Well, I'm having fun. I don't know about you. You having fun? Get it out my way. We gotta go. We gotta find Karan and Kenny.
Yeah, we do.
Oh my gosh, I was so zoomed in. I think it's just where you're up close. I think it's pretty fine. What do you think? It look fine? A little bit?
Slower.
Not the lawnmower. Don't run into the lawnmower. But yeah. Having fun. Recording a little bit of content. There is going to be a little bit of pet content as well. I'm going to have fun. Watch some good old-fashioned racing. But yeah. Other than that, I'll see you when we get. I'm going to try to catch a t-shirt here. They're shooting t-shirts. We're going to try. Let's see. They're gonna try to get a t-shirt. I'm here with iconic.
Number 1, I see you right there in between turns.
Hopefully I can catch a t-shirt, maybe.
Put your hands in the air.
This is all I'm wanting.
Make some noise, stomp your feet, wave your hats, wave your kids, it don't matter. Just get Jimmy Brown's attention as
They both done threw their hats down, that's okay.
How about you, backstretcher?
Next.
I want to see those hats in the air.
I just broke my hat.
South almost broke his hat. What happened?
Get yourself a free t-shirt.
We tried.
Once again.
We are getting some Dippin' Dots, right? He loves Dippin' Dots. Every time he comes here. Alright, just got there here. Directing some traffic here. We're getting some Dippin' Dots. Gotta watch what I'm doing. Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots. He's wanting Dippin' Dots. Are you ready for your Dippin' Dots?
Yeah. I'm so glad, bro. I got a shirt.
They start second. Let's go. Sterling Fleming start second. 0-3, baby. Woo. 0-3, baby.
Let's go.
He's wanting to run. My pants are my shorts are falling. But it's alright. Oh, come on. Sterling Fleming needs to win. Come on, baby. Alright, so we are heading down to Victory Lane. Sterling won. How do you feel about that?
Good deal. How do I feel? I'm happy because this has been a long overdue.
I was shaking that time.
Let's see. We are heading down.
That was scary.
Let's go. Let's go. Keep arguing away.
For the second event of the evening. Chris Carter, let's see down the stairs to you, my friend.
Oh, gotta go. We have made it down Victory Lane. Let's go.
Getting ready to draw.
Made it. All right. Vlog on a vlog.
I need you to get a big signal.
All right.
What do you think?
This is awesome.
Hey, man.
This is awesome. Got some modifieds behind us.
Good job, man. Tell us about it. Yeah, I appreciate Chase keeping it clean. He's been very good this year.
What do you think?
Everybody?
It's hot down here. Look at all the modifieds.
Kendry Home Improvements, Radical Fire Protection.
Trying to wave at them. It ain't happening. I tried to wave, but it didn't happen. This is awesome.
When I was saying that entire time, he was in the lead. That was scary.
I thought Chase was gonna get him. Woo!
What would it mean to you to get another victory in our state?
We helped clean the car, right?
A
A little bit. We did a little bit on this car. Heck yeah, man. This is awesome. I'm glad to see you're happy now.
Send it back up to Randy Boyle. Thank you, Chris Carter, Sterling, Carolina Wood Floors, Winter Circle. Open your door to beautiful floors from Carolina Wood Floors. Easy's crew also pick up 4 of those delicious milkshakes courtesy of Chick-fil-A.
He has that now.
All eyes on scoreboard. If your birthday falls on July 3rd of any year, you have any kind of positive proof such as driver's license, student ID, or health insurance card, there's a program sales station located on the concourse near the south gate between turns 1 and 2. And if you're one of the first 15 names for ride, you'll win a Great Lakes gift certificate good at any participating Front Triad area Great Lakes Salon for a free favorite cuts. Great Clips, it's gonna be ready. Race hands, are you ready for the starting lineup?
That is awesome.
The update on progress that you can see in this video clip right here. Ordered some of the sports merch right here. Here's the race car. So the winner of the second 2020 Hot Sports Merch was Chase Robinson, as you can see here.
Alright, restart. 5 laps to go. Alright, so the street stock race is over. They're currently running. I ran down here. He's got 100 win. Show that.
It's fighting back there.
Let's see. Show the card.
Look at this. Got it.
He's got it.
Is he still out? I'm not sure.
Oh, dang. But that'll be okay.
I should get Slate somewhere. That's him.
But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're waiting right now for an autograph thing. Go tip here. Yeah. All right, so we are waiting for the pit station, right? Right, we're waiting for pit station. There's apparently a crazy chain race going on out there. We're not over there watching it.
Dude, talk about a crazy night. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's
I'm
crazy,
so
man.
pissed off right now, man. Kyle Staley got spun.
Shut up.
I don't care.
Well,
Talk about it.
okay.
Don't talk about intercom like that.
Okay. So, no Taco Bell intercom. No. Good boy. Yeet.
4 letters. 1 word.
Yeet. Oh, we got one more lap. Come on. Come on, I'm ready to get in there. We can go. Alright, we're going in. Alright, so where should we go? Okay. We're not doing that. Okay. So I did get a picture with the trophy. I'll pop the picture up right there. Okay. So simple. I'm gonna try to get one of Bert's 100 win hero cards. I'm gonna try to get one. We're gonna get there. We gotta get there. I'm gonna try to get there, man. Getting there as fast as I can. Got a picture in Victory Lane. I don't know when I'm gonna pop that up. I'm not slow. But yeah. Other than that, I see you. Alright, Sauce, are you ready to meet Tyler Staley? I don't know if you can really see. The lights kind of suck. But yeah, we're waiting in line. This long line of people. They need to come on so I can see what's going on. Hopefully they'll have something for me. You think they'll have something for us? Maybe they'll have something for us. I don't know. I'll see you when we get closer. Alright, so we did decide to get out of the line for Tyler Staley. There was no point in waiting in that long line. That was absolutely ridiculous. Going into that line. Just to sit there and stand there. I guess we can cut up through here. Yeah, we're gonna cut up through here. I don't care. We're cutting through here. We're right next to the field house. The field house is. I went here for the practice for before Bowman Gray even opened up for the season. But yeah, I'm gonna find. We need to find a driver. I've been trying to find a driver, but I don't know where they're at. They're all away.
When can we go home?
Hold on. There's a truck. Alright, never mind. It looks like we are going back to Tyler Staley. My camera's a little blurry. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Did I fix it? No, not really. Okay. There we go. Does that look good?
We're here. It looks good. Oh, look at that. I see this on the video.
Let's go. I hate waiting on long lines too. I left this line, but we're going to come back. Are you glad to be back?
Now let's go talk to Kyler Staley. At least I should. He's loading his car up, so he might not be in the mood.
Yeah.
That's like an NASCAR merch stand right here. Instant cut. All the old decals on it. Nice car body.
Yeah.
I'm looking at all the nice car bodies running around. But yeah. I keep tilting my hat up like that. I don't know why.
I will be coming home with the tire next week.
Should we just come here next week and do this?
I said we should do that.
I think we should go next week. I'm gonna go see who's up in the stadium stock area.
I come back next week. I did go to the stadium stock area. Don't spoil it for him. I did not see anybody. A storm was supposed to happen, but next week I will be coming home with the tire. I can't wait. He said text him on Facebook. I'll text him on.
Y'all going up there? I'm gonna go.
Okay, so we are going back to the stadium stock area once again. What do you think? I really don't want to go back, but I'm gonna go back anyway. He's ready to go home.
I hate it there.
We did not go to College Staley. We'll go next week, right?
Yeah.
If you'll be able to come back next week. Crazy night. Going to the stadium stock area. You could get you a picture with Sydney Sanders.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. You want a picture with Sydney Sanders right there, man?
Sure.
Okay, I got you. Okay, I guess we're gonna leave. I don't know. Maybe we will. I think we are. Yeah, I think we are leaving. Came out empty-handed. Getting the junior state tire part 2. But yeah. Oh, a flat tire on a thing. I can't flip it around. I wish I had one of those cameras like SNR Vlogs has right there. Yeah, well, it's time for us to leave. I don't know what time it is. I don't know what time it is. But we gotta hurry up. We're running. We gotta jog across. Alright.
I don't even know if you can count last week or not.
Alright, guys. Yeah. So this is gonna be the end of the video. So, thanks everybody for watching. Until next time, Kid Vlogs. Peace.